Summer's almost here. COVID is still kind of looming around. And so in this week's video, we're gonna walk you through, is it safe to go on a cruise here in summer 2022? Cue that intro.
What's up YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
So lo and behold, the first step in COVID protocol on a cruise line is, you guessed it, taking a COVID-19 test. So if you didn't take one prior to the cruise, they do offer testing on site before you embark. And so here on the Norwegian Cruise Line, we had to take that test, get that negative result, and on the ship we went. So regardless of vaccine status and or even having a negative test, you had to wear your mask the entire time while on the cruise, except when you're on the outdoor deck or while you were dining. So pretty standard protocols there that we're all familiar with, and to be honest, didn't really impede our whole cruising experience. So another thing on top of the mask that we noticed was that there was a ton of hand sanitizer around every corner. So much so that actually every time that you entered a dining facility, they actually instructed you and made you wash your hands prior to getting in that buffet line. And then you notice that there was actually signed placards on the table that indicated that these tables had been sanitized and were ready for the next use. So the last but probably most important COVID protocol that we witnessed on the Norwegian Cruise Line on our 9-day Mediterranean cruise was that this cruise was no more than 50% occupied. So having limited amount of people run amongst the entire cruise line not only meant for a safe COVID environment, but more importantly, it allowed us to have endless adventures with no crowds. There was virtually nobody on this ship, and we thoroughly made the most of it. And so if you like this video, please consider giving us that big thumbs up. Comment down below, is cruising an adventure coming up for you? If not, tell us why. And so I'm Matt from the Adventure Buddies, and if you like videos like this, please make sure to hit that red subscribe button because we got more travel tips and adventures coming your way. And remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on it with?